Hey guys, today we have the Pietta 1851 Navy Black Powder Revolver. It's a 44 caliber handgun with a 7.5-inch barrel. This particular one has the engraved cylinder and an iron frame. I'm using a ketchup bottle here to fill up a powder measure. Pretty sure you can buy the ketchup bottles at the dollar store. And what I'm going to do here is pour the powder into the cylinder of the gun. Now, to make sure that none of the powder falls out, I'm going to prop the gun in the box. You can use whatever you've got. I'm going to take one of these patches. I put the patch between the ball and the powder. Not really necessary, but it's what I've read is supposed to be done. Now you take a black powder ball, set in there, turn it around, press it in there using the lever provided all the way down to the bottom, so it's a nice tight fit. And now you just repeat the entire process over and over again. So you've got all 5 or 6 shots, however many you're going to do loaded up. Now you want to make sure you don't go above 25 grains for this particular gun. 25 grains is the listed maximum according to the manufacturer. Now, these balls are actually 0.451 in diameter, not 0.44. That actually puts a ring of lead around the cylinder, getting it tight and fit down there, which is what allows the ball to grab hold of the rifling and spin. Now, up until now, everything has been relatively safe. There's nothing that could ignite the powder. At this point, I'm going to be putting some number 10 caps on the end of the cylinder. The caps are percussion based, so when there's a sharp tap to them, they will go off. But pushing or pulling or anything of that sort will not cause them to go off. You just gotta push them right up in there so that they clear and let the cylinder freely rotate. For this particular gun, I only loaded 3 of the chambers so that if something were to go wrong, I was only dealing with 3 maximum loaded chambers in the gun. I'm checking to make sure that the cylinder will rotate freely throughout the entire revolution. Then I'm going to set it on the next empty one so that when I pull the hammer back, it will be ready to fire. The kick on these guns is actually very light. I have a .22 revolver that actually kicks more than this gun does. But the lack of kick is made up for by the big flash you get and the horrible smell.